If you've forgotten your Yahoo Mail password, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the full reset process step by step so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. This is a simple method that works right in your browser, and it only takes a few minutes if you have access to your phone number or recovery email. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. This is where the password reset process begins. Once the page loads, look for the Forgot Password option and click on it. Yahoo will then ask you to enter the email address for the account you want to recover. Type in your Yahoo email address carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes, and then click Next. At this point, Yahoo will try to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm through a phone number or a recovery email address. This step is important because it helps Yahoo make sure that the person resetting the password is really the account owner. Choose the recovery option that you still have access to and wait for the verification code to arrive. If you selected your phone number, check your text messages for the code. If you selected your recovery email, open that inbox and look for the message from Yahoo. Once you have the code, come back to the Yahoo recovery page and enter it exactly as shown. Be careful to type it correctly because even one wrong digit can stop the reset process from working. After the code is accepted, Yahoo will let you create a new password. This is the perfect time to choose something strong and secure. Try to make it unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using anything too easy to guess. Enter your new password, then confirm it if Yahoo asks you to type it again. When you're ready, click Continue to finish the reset. Once that's done, your Yahoo Mail password will be updated, and you should be able to sign in with your new login details right away. If you're using Yahoo Mail on other devices, you may need to sign in again on those apps or browsers using the new password. That's completely normal after a password change. And just like that, you've reset your Yahoo Mail password successfully. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.